Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to do studio like voiceovers in CapCut. First, open CapCut, then import your video. Then drag it to the timeline. Now right click on the video, then click on Extract Audio. Then delete it and click on this recorder icon. And here you can enable echo reductions, and then you can mute your project. By clicking here, you can enhance your voice. Then click on this icon to start your recording. After record, click on the audio. And from here, you can do some basic adjustments. You can also reduce your noise by click on this. You can also change your voice and voice speed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.